So many offenses in Imo, and as the day goes by, we keep seeing new things, new developments. The ugly, the ugliest, the bad, the baddest. That's what we keep seeing. I came across this video. Somebody shared this video to me. This video was posted at Ohaji's People's Forum or thereabouts. So somebody shared it to me, and I watched it. I intelligently listened to these guys. In their polite or in their grievances, they were talking about how the oil company kept manipulating them and all that, sacking their youths, going against what they should do. And I have said this a couple of times: before government will grab land for anything, you must mechanize an MOU with the people. And whereby you fail to do this or observe it, these are the kind of results we start getting often. Yeah. In as much as I don't support any youth bearing arms for any reason whatsoever, but look at this. I want us to listen to them now and hear what they are saying. New group has just emerged in Imo State, and we don't know what the outcome may become. We don't even know. We can't even tell. My name is Governor Zioku. I need you to watch this video. Listen to him carefully.
So, my brothers and sisters, another thing. If you say this thing where the drag will not stand, Oga, brother, youth, I will use it for you. It will stand. I will use it for you. The government and the what we want and development we want will stand.
That's so you.
Ane, ajukame jukafia. Abelambe. Adu mafia sama tu egu. Afia klama ya se no nwere hemadu gemem. Ale bile na ale asa na ale awara be with me. Akadon makadofia. All these ones where they pursue for work last week as I'm hearing it. I want all of them to go back to that company. Nobody have right to pursue any indigene for the company. Nobody have any right to pursue indigene.
Now we no be them.
Now, why I strongly need the light is that even if they are eating their money, thieving their money because they are thieves. Aga, if they put light, person will learn how to barb head. They go buy clip and start they feed themselves. Woman wearing hairdressing will go and buy hairdressing, every equipment starts. There's people that get the money to do, but there is no light, no money to buy gem. Even if some people don't have money to do any other business, they can buy freezer and be doing ice block. Those things now, what is for development? That is why I'm crying seriously. And you must come. I'm not afraid of anybody. Bros, I'm not afraid of anybody. And if I open my house, this is my warehouse. If I open it, Omo, you're gonna say, I don't know how to do. I did not see anybody. And I want to assure all youth, please, my brothers and sisters, I want you people to support for this struggle. It's not only me that eating it. And I stand here today tell you people that nobody will feel bribe me. Because I'm okay. I'm okay for what I have. You people knows. Now, what I can say is only dumb. Like this struggle. Oh man, let's move it up. No, look any leader that you even in Kukane, your platform, the leader challenge you. Only the name I need. I know fear. I know we are all of them definitely. They imagine somebody like Chino, yeah, that claiming now that he is not seeing anybody. I could remember when he is engineer in Patakot and the one when I pay in a hotel in Cambodia hotel. Chino, you know what I'm saying. Who are you? Before you drive jeep, I have drive jeep. Before I started with push shoulder, I have push shoulder. But I want peace. I want development. light, road, good health. You know what? I want to university. Then they turn at home. The company will open this summer. Imagine the whole company now. 13 people. Oh, my brother. My brothers and sisters, I'm angry. You know, concern you. Whether you like me or you hate me, you know, now me some like some hate. You know. What I'm trying to tell you people is that you see this time around, widower will be getting something there. A widow will be getting something there. Youth, if that company needs 500 people, youth will be indigent will be 250, strangers will be 250. Failing to do that, problem. Please and please, my brothers and sisters, I'm not come for quarrel, I'm not come for fight, I'm not fighting Debam, I'm not fighting Dewe, I'm fighting what comes from my village. Ndi Igbo ibem, Bikono. Governor of Imo State, Daddy, Kanka, Ogadreginama, Bikono. Imo State, Imo State government. That ya, Nihenamona San Obile. Leaders no de Bulla. Leaders a Bulla, leaders a Bulla. Onye wetre ego, ye Brubalaga, Gatan. Then I got good opportunity. As in no Lego, but if you they eat, you remember your village. If they give you 100,000 to do something, you can eat 20,000, use 80,000, do something for your village. But no, this one they give 100 million. Okay, our village now they use solar. Surrender every year. Can solar charge phone? No. Can solar put fridge?
No.
Can solar do what think solar feed do for us? All those things is deceiving us, telling Imo State government